guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video, so let's get started. The first thing I got this breast pump. As I decided for my second baby, I am not going to be nursing. Instead of nursing, I am going to use this pump, like exclusive pumping. So for that I definitely need this pump. So everything is from Amazon and it has so many options. It has this is wireless and it has digital iPad, and it has so many options. So I think it's going to be work for me perfectly. The second thing I got, this nursing bra, or you can say this is the pumping bra also. So you don't have to hold every time those two bottles when you are pumping. So instead of holding, you can just use this bra and good to go. And this comes with different sizes. This one is I think size A, and it has some instructions, right? Like you can read it, and it cost me around 23 Canadian dollar. I will link everything in my description box, or I will put it here, the screenshot. Okay, the third thing I got, this Philips microwave sterilization. So I will link here the prices, and everything is from Amazon. So the most important thing in my baby list is this bottle warmer. I got it from Amazon. So you just need to add few water and keep your frozen milk, or maybe for the cold milk, put it inside and leave it for I think 3 to 4 minutes. And you don't have to be microwave your bottle because it's not good for baby. So there is so many options. You can see this one for the freezer, and this one for the like boil the, like warm the milk, and this one for the these two options indicating that for the baby food you can directly buy from the store and place that glass container and you can use it for baby. This is the brand Philips Avent, and I do have other brand. I do have another one, and this is First Cry. So one can I keep with in my kitchen, and other I can keep in my bedroom, that my baby can easily use it, or I can use it for my baby. So that's it. Okay, next thing I got this breast milk storage container for the fridge, not for the freezer I guess, and you can reuse and you can wash it. After pumping your milk, you can keep the milk and with this in this container and keep it in the directly into the fridge, and it's 180 ml. So newborns usually drink around 150 or 140 ml milk, so this is perfect for the storing. Next is this Dr. Brown milk storage pack for the freezer, and it has 100 bags. I do have other I think other brand. This is Dr. Brown and this is Avent. It has 25 breast milk bag, and this has also 25, and I just got those from the local store just for trying. I got a bunch of packets so for the breast milk storage. And next thing I got this Munchkin brushes for bottle cleaning, because obviously I'm going to feed my baby with a bottle. So this one. Next thing I got bunch of Tummy TP bottles, because I did research so much and I found that this bottle works for everyone perfectly. So I thought give it a try. So here is the bottle. I just open it. Now I do have a bunch of bottles. I can show you in a minute. This is a 260 ml bottle, so I can use it after 2 or 3 months. For the newborn, I got this one. I already like unboxed it. Like I opened the package. It's a 150 ml and like 5 pounds. As you can see, I think here 5 pounds. So this is for newborn, and this is for after 2 months I can use. And this is the third bottle I got. This is colic bottle, something they're calling. Like this is not for the gas and stuff like this. so I got lost of bottles. Here you go. All my bottle collections are here. So those are 5 ounce bottles. I got so many, as I said. This is the third one, this is the fourth one, and I do have this brand bottle. It's also 125 ml. So 5, this one 6, and this one 7. All are Tommy Tippy bottles, and except this one. And I do have my local store bottles. Those ones, like, my daughter brought it from the local store, and this one cost me just $1. And this is new one. I didn't open it, and I don't want to use this one because I want to just continue with the one brand, and this is just for fun in case my baby lose. So next product, I got this Bone Grass countertop drying rack. As I mentioned before, I am going to use lots of bottles for my baby. This drying rack going to be my lifesaver. It does not come with the accessories, so you need to buy it separately. I think both cost me around $27, and I got it from Walmart. So in this thing you can hang your small parts, so your bottle nipples or caps like this, and this is an amazing product. Next thing, I have this manual pump. This is Knock brand. It was cost me around 39 Canadian dollar. It comes with a Knock bottle, but unfortunately I lost it, so I had to buy Knock bottles separately. So what I did, I got a Knock sippy bottle that I can use as a manual breast pump. Also for my baby can use it after 6 months. So this is so cute, and it has the Mickey Mouse print on it, and this is from Walmart, and the manual pump is from the Amazon. This is something I got extra for my baby. This is actually a storage container for baby food, but you can definitely use it as a breast milk storage container. Each container contains 60 ml. Next, I also got this glass bottle for the traveling purposes. I can fill up my breast milk for the whole day, then baby can easily use it, because plastic is not good for the health, and so I recommend to use all the glass bottles for the traveling purposes. Next is this cooler bag for the milk bottle. So I like it. I got it from a local store, and this color is so gorgeous, and it is not too heavy, as it's so light, and in case I am leaving my baby in the daycare or in my friend's house, or I'm going for the long drive, then I can store all the milk bottles here, and here she can easily use it. So this is so handy, and I like this product so much. And I also got another one for the single bottles, and for the stroller it has a strap, then you can easily hang on your stroller, and this is quite a handy product. The last thing I got, disposable nursing pad. It contains 60 pads, and you can use it and throw it right away. I love the brand, and this is called Parent Choice and Kissy. Okay, this is all about my pumping essentials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.